Where is the Asuka pillar located? Answer is Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. Where is the national emblem of India, lion capped? Answer is Sarnath Museum near Varanasi. What is the name of Agra's world famous sweet? Answer is Petha. How many constituencies does Uttar Pradesh have? Answer is 404 constituencies. Which city was the old capital of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Allahabad. Which is the second largest rice producing state in India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which season mustard is grown in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Rabi season. How is the maximum part of irrigation done in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is canals. Which is the longest canal in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Sarda Canal. From which river is Agra Canal drawn? Answer is Yamuna River. To which age do the ancient sites of Sarai Nahar Rai, Morhana Pahar and Lakhia in Uttar Pradesh belong? Answer is Mesolithic age. Where is the oldest evidence of rice cultivation in the world found in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Boldiva. Where was the earliest evidence of the use of pottery found in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Chupani Mando. Where was Gautam Buddha's first sermon delivered? Answer is Sarnath. Who was the architect of Taj Mahal? Answer is Ustad Ahmad Lahori and Ustad Isal. Where is the largest footwear manufacturing hub in India? Answer is Agra. On which river is the Rani Lakshmibai Dam project under construction? Answer is Betwa River. Which Mughal emperor completed the tomb of Akbar in Sikandra? Answer is Jahangir. Which two districts in Uttar Pradesh touch the boundary of Delhi? Answer is Gautam Buddha Nagar and Ghaziabad. How many states does Uttar Pradesh share its border? Answer is 9 states. How many union territories does Uttar Pradesh share its border? Answer is 1. Which districts of Uttar Pradesh are close to the boundary of Rajasthan? Answer is Agra and Mathura. Which river flows between the boundary of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Yamuna River. Which Asokan pillar has been adopted as the national emblem of India? Answer is the Lion Pillar of Sarnath. Which place was the capital of the Mughal Empire? Answer is Agra. Which Mughal king built Fatehpur Sikri and Agra fort? Answer is Akbar. Where is the famous Buland Darwaja located? Answer is Fatehpur Sikri. Where is the place of Queen Jodha Bai located? Answer is Fatehpur Sikri. What was the capital city of the Mahajanpada Vatsa? Answer is Kausambi. When did Babur take over Agra city? Answer is 1526 AD. Which is the only district in Uttar Pradesh that touches the boundary of Chhattisgarh? Answer is Sonbhadra district. When was the first wildlife sanctuary established in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1957. What is the name of the first wildlife sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary. Which soil is the most widespread soil in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is alluvial soil. As per the 2011 census, what percentage did Uttar Pradesh contribute to the Indian population? Answer is 60.16%. Which district in Uttar Pradesh has the lowest population of scheduled tribes? Answer is Hathras, 0.01%. What are the other name of Prayagraj? Answer is Allahabad, Allahabad and Prayag. What is the full form of Noida? Answer is New Okhal Industrial Development Authority. Which is the longest river of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Ganga. Through which district does Ganga enter into Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Bijnor district. Through which district does Ganga leaves Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Bhalia district. Which river merges into the river Ganga at Prayagraj, Allahabad? Answer is Yamuna river. What is the other name of river Gandhak? Answer is Narayani river. Where is the Night Safari Park situated in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Greater Noida. Which nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Narora Atomic Power Station. How many tiger reserves are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 3. Who was the first governor of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. When was Agra Presidency separated from Bengal Presidency? Answer is 1833. When was the Presidency of Agra established? Answer is 14th November 1834. In which district is mango cultivation is not done in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Agra district.